40 days staying somewhere. It was already written in old mythology. But it's lonely, you are lonely, loneliness. My whole art, my whole vision is not to try to control life, to control situation, to mastering the living element of life. The titles can be switched because to think about art goes directly into personal perception, and you make your own links with your own history. Every wall has a sentence from another world: science, traveling and society, mythology, actuality, le mirage du travail. I like to play with the idea of time. So when the sun is sending us a photon of light, it takes 8 minutes to be with us. So then I started to think about perception. I'm looking to some person. When the image is arriving in my brain, it's always history. I see you later than you were. The whole exhibition is based on residence in Texas. When you start to walk in the desert, you see a little element and a little element. And by giving attention, it's popping up in your world. The idea of the landscape is important because when I was arriving, it's out of the village, so you're really close and nearby, the full empty desert. And then you see this landscape, and in the back, a very nice horizon, there is a mountain. And I said, wow, this mountain and me, I feel at home. In the global, I work with a lot of tactility, the tactility that you know from daily life. Everything is made by myself, painted by myself, but I like to work with sentiment that people know from their own life. So all my material is taken from life, not from art world. I think I do it to escape from a life where everything is like a convention. You have to do this, you have to behave this. And so I can survive this way by telling all the time to myself and with this visual language how I see it, how I feel it. And I try to do it abstract enough that people can read it and fill it with their own perception. And this work is really like already a kind of definition how I look to the world.